Imagine managing a hundred of tasks, multiple employees, deadline box, client request, and software updates, all without confusion. Now, imagine one single platform where every task, every progress update, every bug report, every sprint, and every team member is organized perfectly. That platform is called Jira. Today, we are going to deeply understand what Jira actually is, why companies like startups to giant tech companies use it, how Agile and Scrum work inside Jira, feature, real life uses, advantage and disadvantage, and how beginner can master Jira step by step. So watch this video till the end because after this video Jira will never feel complicated again. So let's get started today's video. First, what is Jira? Jira is a project management and issue tracking software developed by Atlassian. Originally, Jira was built mainly for software developer to track bugs and technical issues. But today, Jira is used by software companies, startups, marketing teams, finance teams, HR department, product managers, and even educational organizations. In simple words, Jira helps teams plan work, assign tasks, track progress, manage deadlines, collaborate efficiently, and deliver projects faster. And second one is why Jira is so popular. Now the question is why do million of team use Jira? Because modern projects are complex without a system. Tasks get lost, communication break, deadline fail, employee become confused and productivity decrease. It solves this problem by creating transparency, accountability, organizations, collaboration, workflow automation. That's why Jira become one of the world's most powerful project management platform. Now come on the third part, understanding the core concepts of Jira. First, project. Project in Jira is basically a workspace. For example, mobile app development, website redesign, marketing campaign, and finance audit. Each project contain tasks and workflows. And second one is issue. In Jira, everything is called issue. An issue can be a task, bug, feature request, improvement, story, or support ticket. Think of issue as individual work items. And third one is tasks. Task is a specific piece of work. Example, design login page, create payment gateway, write blog article, prepare monthly report. First, I should write here, for example, like like So this is the example of tax, and this is the example of projects. And another one is bug. Bug means a problem or error in software. For example, app, app crashes on login, button not working, and wrong calculation. And another one is payment failure. Payment failure. This is the example of bug. And developer use Jira heavily for bug tracking. And another one is Epic. This part, an epic is a large objective divided into smaller tasks. For example, login system, product page, and payment integration. And order tracking. So epic equal to big goal. And last one is story. A story represent a user requirement. Example, as a customer, I want online payment so that I can buy product easily. Stories help team understand customer needs. And another one is Agile and Scrum in Jira. So first we need to understand what is Agile. It is a modern project management methodology where work is completed in a small continuous improvement instead of one massive delivery. This is, and instead of waiting 1 year to launch a project, team team release improvement regularly. And what is Scrum? Scrum is a framework inside Agile, and it divides work into short cycles called sprints, usually 1 week, 2 weeks, or 1 month. And another one is how Jira support Scrum. Jira provides sprint planning, backlogs, Scrum boards, velocity tracking, burn down charts, team collaboration, performance reports. And another one is Jira boards. Here are two types of board, Kanban board and Scrum board. First, Kanban board. Kanban focuses on continuously workflow. Columns usually include to do, in progress, review, done. Tasks move visually from left to right. And Scrum board. Scrum boards focuses on sprint-based work. Teams plan tasks for a specific sprint duration. This one. And part 6, workflow in Jira. Workflow defines how tasks move. Example, to do, in progress, testing, Review completed. Like I want to show you example to do in progress, then testing, after that review, and last part is completed. This helps organization maintain process discipline. And another one is dashboard and reporting. One powerful feature of Jira is dashboard. It is the most powerful features for Jira. Dashboards show pending tasks, completed work, team productivity, sprint progress, bug deadlines, performance metrics. Manager can instantly understand project health. Part 8, Automations and Jira. Jira also support automation. For example, automatically assign tasks, send notification, update, create recurring workflows, trigger approvals. And part 9, we use Jira. Jira is used globally by software developers, product managers, QA testers, startups, enterprises, remote teams, marketing, agency, operation teams. Many tech can depend on Jira daily. And part 10, real life example. Imagine a startup building a food delivery app. The team may use Jira like this: design team, app UI design, then developer team, login API. It include login API, payment gateway. After QA team, bug testing, and another one is project manager, sprint planning, deadline monitoring, and CEO, dashboard monitoring. Everything become organized in one platform. And part 11, advantage of Jira. Better organizations. All tasks stay centralized. Then team collaboration. Everyone stays connected. And transparency. Manager can monitor progress clearly. Scalability. Suitable for startup to large enterprise. And reporting. Powerful analytic and tracking. Customization. Workflow can be customized deeply. And after that, part 12, disadvantage of Jira. Learning curve. Beginners may initially feel nervous. Complex setup. Another one is complex setup. Advanced customizations require expertise. Then another one is expensive for large teams. Pricing increases with users. Then too many features. Small teams may not need everything. And part 13, how beginners should learn Jira. If you are a beginner, follow this roadmap. Step 1, understand Agile basics. Step 2, learn issue creation. And step 3, understand boards. Step 4, learn sprint management. Step 5, practice workflows. And step 6, Use dashboards and reports. And step 7, work on real project. Do yourself on work real project. Part 14, features of Jira. Features of Jira. As a remote work and digital transformations grow rapidly, project management tools are becoming essentially. The future of Jira includes AI-powered automations, smart reporting, predictive analytics, and better collaboration tools, deep integrations. So now you understand that Jira is not just a task management tool, it is a complete ecosystem for planning, collaboration, productivity, software development, and business executions. Whether you are a student, developer, startup founder, project manager, loading Jira can significantly improve how you manage work and teams because in today's world, organized team move faster than talented but disorganized teams. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like the video, comment your thought, subscribe for more deep tech and productivity content, and remember, great projects are not built by chaos; they are built by system. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.